Welcome back to another Mr. Lee Teaches YouTube tutorial. And if you're like me, you have these videos on YouTube that you love and you want to use in your class, but you bookmark them or you forget them or you have a big Google document full of links and it just doesn't work that well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create your own YouTube channel and create playlists that you can share with your students, and it's not very public. While you can't make a private channel, you can make it very hard to find and link only kind of access. So let's check it out. So I'm logged in with a different account because obviously I have a YouTube channel already because you're watching it. Thanks for watching, by the way. Subscription buttons down below. But if you click on your face or the blank man icon, once you're signed into your Google account, you'll see some options. And if you go to My Channel, if you don't have a channel, it will ask you to create a channel. So it's going to pull your first name and your last name, and it's going to pull your Google image, whatever that may be, and then it's going to give you your little agreement. So you're just going to not read it and create channel. So now this is my channel, and it's blank. There's nothing here. It's a brand new channel. So I can customize my channel, and that's what we're going to do first, because nobody likes a bland channel. So we got options for channel art. Our home, we haven't uploaded anything. We can add sections to that. We have a videos tab, which has no videos in it. Playlist, which we're going to come back to because we have no playlist, but we want to make some playlists. So I'm just going to go back to the beginning. And because we like to decorate things in our classroom, no matter what grade level or subject we're teaching, we're going to add some channel art. Now, I have included in the link of this in the description of this video, this template. And this template is laid out to proportion so that no matter if you're looking at it on a desktop or on a tablet or a phone, it's going to appear nice and neat and formatted. So if you put your channel name or whatever you want to put here, you can put science class, third period, or whatever you want to put in this box. Keep everything centered. When you go to download this image and we come back over to our channel, we can add channel art and we can upload just simply by clicking and dragging. And it kind of previews it for us. So on a mobile device, we'll get our channel name and our background. On a TV, we'll get the full size, and on the desktop, we'll get the channel name. So that looks good. We'll select that, and then we'll see it there. So now when somebody, like our students, comes to our YouTube channel, they'll see the background, you'll see the channel name, and it looks like you know what you're doing. Let's skip over making videos for right now, and if that's what you want, come back to my channel soon. I am going to do a video on how to make YouTube videos for the classroom. Right now, we're just going to make the channel and show you how to make some playlists that you can share with your students. But first, we want to make sure our settings are right in our channel. So I'm going to click the gear, and we're going to make sure that all my liked videos are private, all my subscriptions are private, and my saved playlists are, and then fans to comment on our channel. If we're doing this for a classroom channel, we want to not display until approved for obvious reasons. We don't need to worry about translating, and so I'm going to save this, and it takes me back to my home screen. I'm going to go back in here, and I want to go to my advanced settings, and I want to make sure that my country is set right, because this is going to matter as far as what gets filtered on YouTube side. So I'm in the United States. If I want people to be able to search and find my channel, I can put keywords in here. I'm not going to worry about that because I'm basically making this channel just for my students in my classroom and my uses. Disable interest-based ads. Yes, I don't want ads. Do not allow my channel to appear in other channels' recommendations. Because like I said, I'm not trying to make a channel to publish videos. I'm trying to use it for my classroom. Even if I do publish videos, I still want to just use this in my classroom, so I'm not going to do that. I don't care about displaying my subscriber counts. That's just distractions for students when they come to your channel. If you want to leave it on, that's fine. It's not a really big thing. So I'm going to save that. And so now this is the Creator Studio. There's a lot of stuff in here to look at. We will get more into this side of YouTube channels when we talk about how to create videos. So right now I'm going to go back to my channel, and I'm going to come over here to playlist, and I want to create a playlist. So I used to teach physical science, so we'll talk about a playlist on physics. And in YouTube, like Google Docs, you have several settings for your sharing, how it can be viewed or found by other people. But it's a little different. We have public, we have unlisted, and we have private. Public means that anybody can search for it, so your playlist can be searched for and found and watched by anybody, which probably isn't that big of a deal. But if you are worried about it, you can make it unlisted. That means you have to have the link in order to access this playlist. Or you can make it private, which means only you and you alone can see this playlist, not even your students, not even if you share it with them. It's private. Nobody can see it except for you. So I'm going to make this unlisted, and I'm going to create. And so now this is my edit screen for my physics playlist. And see, there's no videos listed so far, so I am going to add some videos. So we're going to edit this, and we're going to add videos. Now, I'm going to add some videos that I know about. And the best idea would be to actually find these videos on YouTube first and then paste in their URL so you know exactly what video it is, because you can't really preview it in this screen. But I'm just using this as an example, so I've added a video. So it's going to pull in some artwork from the video so that your playlist actually has some stuff. And yes, I know the periodic table is not physics, it's chemistry, but go with me on this. So it's in here. This playlist is now able to be shared because there's something in it. So if I click the share button, and it reminds me this is unlisted, so it will not appear in search, but anybody with the link can view it. I can grab this link, I can copy it, and then I can put it into Google Classroom. I can put it into an email. I can post it on my Classroom webpage, wherever I want, and people can come to this playlist. Now, if I add videos to this playlist, it automatically updates, so I don't have to put a new link every time I put a new video in this. So if I'm working on this over the summer or over Christmas break, and I have a great idea for some videos, I throw some videos in there that I want my students to watch and learn something from or do something with, but then the last minute I find 2 or 3 more videos, I can add them to that playlist, and it doesn't change the link, it doesn't change anything other than it adds it to it, and the students can still access it. Now I can go into the playlist settings, and I can go and make sure that they're all unlisted. I can allow embedding, that's fine. I can also order them however I want to order them. So if I want certain videos in a certain order, all I got to do is go in here and make sure that it's on manual, and then I can actually order them. Auto add would be if there are new videos posted according to my rules, be a description, title, that kind of thing, it'll automatically throw them in there. That's probably not a great thing to do for your classroom, just because you'll want to preview those videos before you add them to your student playlist. You could add collaborators if you wanted to, so if you were co-teaching with another teacher across the district or across the hall, you guys could both be in the playlist at the same time if you're planning together, and 2 heads are always better than 1. So I'll save this as it is. And now if I wanted to make a new playlist, so I go back to my channel, and if I click on playlist, well, I don't see anything because it's unlisted. Like I said, the link is there, but it's unlisted, so you can't find it. So how do we get back to it? We're going to click on our face icon again, and we're going to go to YouTube Studio, or it could be called Creator Studio, depending on which version of YouTube you're working in. Once we get in here, we're going to look under Other Features, and we have Playlists. Now, if you're in the Classic Studio, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be Video Manager, Playlist, and there's our playlist. So we can always grab this link again if we need it, and we can either get it from up here by going back and editing it and sharing it, but we're going to go back because I want to create another one. So once we're back on here where we're under Video Manager, Playlist, we can create a new playlist, and we can set it to unlisted and create. And so now we have a whole new playlist that we can work on. And if you look in your library, you'll see your gravity and your physics playlist always there. But if you go back to your channel, you go under playlist, because they're not public, you're not going to see them. So if somebody does find your channel, your students find your channel, they can't look ahead. They can't see anything that you don't want them to. You have to share those links if they're unlisted. This will get you started on creating a playlist, and hopefully you picked up some stuff out of this video. And remember to come back. I'm going to be doing a series of these. We have now created our YouTube channel, and the next one will be talking about how to make a video and upload a video to our YouTube channel, and we can set those permissions as well. I hope this was informative. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and go ahead and subscribe if you want to know more videos from me. Thanks for watching.